Roatan is a great place to live. You can check out some of the properties that are currently available for sale right here on the Roatan Travel Network Real Estate Guide.
This cozy 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom villa makes an ideal getaway. Enjoy the tropical jungle views and cooling breezes from the spacious covered deck. This home is ideal as a full-time residence, long-term or short-term rental. This well-constructed villa is located in a new development of Diamond Hill, which offers 24-hour security, paved roads, 3 wells on site, a restaurant and a community pool with pool bar. Diamond Hill also offers on-site property management. This tranquil development is 5 minutes from Paya Bay Beach and 15 minutes to Camp Bay Beach. Enjoy the best of what the Caribbean offers. This villa offers a large outdoor area incorporating a pool and patio with views of the amazing reef right in front of the development. Pristine Bay is an exclusive gated community located mid-island on the North Shore. It is the epitome of luxury, privacy, and beautiful resort-style amenities. Owners will enjoy 24-hour security, a recently opened world-class spa, the Black Pearl, an 18-hole Pete Dye-designed golf course, children's clubhouse and pool, tennis courts, and an on-site restaurant. Rarely a condo comes up for sale at the Grand Roatan, so here is your chance to own in a premier resort on Roatan. This highly desirable 1-bedroom, 1-bath condo is on the main level and comes fully furnished. The patio opens up to a beautiful view of the Caribbean Sea. Step right off of your patio to walk the paths that will take you through the lush gardens of the Grand Roatan. This condo has an excellent rental history and is always in demand. The Grand Roatan is located on one of the top 15 best beaches in West Bay, with a short swim to the second-largest Mesoamerican barrier reef. Casa Turquesa is a beautiful, newly renovated 2-level beach-style home. Property sits on a nearly quarter-acre with more room to expand. The home has been renovated recently with new handmade Honduran cabinets, granite countertops, all bathrooms have been updated, the room's new deck and all exterior have been freshly painted, whitewashed ceilings, new windows, and new furniture. Upper level has 3-bed, 2 baths, a big screened-in deck, and wraparound porch. Lower level has another bedroom that has been converted into an office area, a full bath, and a big indoor garage. Property comes fully furnished, ready for you to move in with your family. Pristine Bay is Roatan's residential resort community with the island's only 18-hole championship golf course, beach, and much more. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath open-concept home features 2 bedrooms facing the ocean and a covered patio that flows seamlessly from the kitchen and living area, being offered turnkey with high-end finishes and stainless steel appliances. You will love the large barbecue grill, outdoor dining area, and plenty of lounge space surround your private plunge pool. This is a proven rental property and well-maintained.
Thanks for watching the Roatan Travel Network's Real Estate Guide. We hope you discover your perfect island dream home.